Share with you 4 journals that I've made, and these are all made using a botanical kit from Victoria Designs and I will link that below. If you've watched my last lot of videos, I've showed all the pockets and tags that I've made to go inside this, but obviously I've added some more things to it, just like vintage ephemera, and made up little books and things like that. So I'm going to show one. These will all be listed in my shop if you're interested, and I will show one completely and then just do a real quick flip through the others. Let's move these to one side. I have a playlist below called Let's Make if you want to see how I've made any of the things inside here, and some things that have been made are ideas from other people, so they will be linked below as well. So each journal measures 8 inches by 5 1/4. They have one signature and there is 76 pages front and back. So I've used this background paper. This is from Artimaze, and I've sewn that onto some kind of coffee looking paper on the back. Again, that was a printable. Done some layering here, used some vintage receipts. These are images from the kit and I've shrunk them right down. They're actually main pages, so I've shrunk them right down just for the focal point on the front of the covers, and then the word journal, and that is on each of them. So let's see if I can get this undone. Here we go. I can see there being a big knot in a minute. There we go. So this is the this paper here is actually from Victoria Designs, and it's just one of the plain background papers in the kit, and all the main pages are from the kit. So here we have a flip up, flip down pocket with the pocket there as well, and I've decorated that with a doily ticket and some scraps and a butterfly. These are just little images that I had in my stash. I was going to say in my shop, in my stash, and I just made little booklets with that. So that pops in there like so. So what you can do here is you could actually glue them like that, and then that becomes another pocket, but if you put it down you can just do some additional journaling. And then there is this is from the kit as well, which is, I believe this actual image is on the old design shop, but it's been altered for this kit. Then this is a tag that I made, and I've got a tutorial on that, and that's in the Let's Make playlist, and that is from Tsunami Rose. We've got a doily and a paper bag, some music paper. Here we just have some ephemera and a flipper. One side of that's coffee dyed. I must have dipped 2 in and it just didn't soak on the other side, so it's kind of white and it actually looks quite nice. So there's that, and that just pops on there. We've got some crocheted fabric tabs. There's lots of room to journal. Here is, again, is a pocket, a double pocket that I made. Got a video on that. And we've just got some ephemera here. And to be honest, I should pop something else in there, because this is something that I made the other day. It's upside down. Oh no, it's not. Let's try in the right way. It's just some decoupaging onto some paper. So I'll just pop that in there. Some ledger. More pages from the kit. Here we've got a side tuck, and this is some ephemera from Artimaze. I've done a video on that. This is an idea from Climmy, who's Climmy Creations. She's linked below as well. It just tucks in the back of there. So you've got some more journaling. There's a doily and a paper bag. This is from the old design shop. This is another crocheted fabric tab. Lots of journaling space. here, that's the other side of the paper bag. Here is another pocket that I showed how to make. So it's just a double pocket. Got some layering going on here, and it's a journal card in there. And then this is just a little note book with a double ball on that. Let's pop that in there. I'm having stretched right round and my back's really hurting. Isn't that a lovely page? Here is, it's got a bit squished, the triple envelope pockets. So there's nothing inside them, but you can tuck things down behind the envelopes as well. So you've got the pockets behind the envelope, the pocket behind the envelope, the pocket, and then another pocket. So there's quite a lot of pockets on that, and I've just decorated the top one, and then we just have some ephemera inside there. Another fabric crocheted tab. Here we have this is so sweet, the birds on that. I can't remember where I got that from, and this is from the old design shop. Just got a raggedy edge, and that's just paper clipped on. And then we have the paper bag and a doily, and then another pocket that I made, and we have another tag. I think that was the one I done the tutorial on, and some more vintage paper there that you can write on, and some ephemera here. So I think that was in there, and that pops in the front somehow. Why won't that go in? Oh, there we go. So yeah, that all pops in there, and that is the back page. So that's that one. I'll just set that to one side, and I will quickly go through. I'm not taking anything out. So this one has got a different image on the front, and there's different papers being used, and we've got the tags in there, the little booklet in here. I said I wasn't going to pull everything out, and I'm doing it. Here we just have that's another triple fold out, another double pocket with some ephemera inside there, another pocket here, and that's another one of them flip downs that Climmy made. Lots of journaling room, another pocket here, that all just pops in there. Another triple envelope pocket, some ephemera in the back. That's another one of these different, same birds, but they're just laid out differently. And that's a fold out that you can journal on. Here we just have another one of these, and this was an idea from Stephanie, who is Vintage Journal Studio, I think it's called, on Instagram. And that is that one, and this one's the blue on the back, and then we have another one which is green, and everything, like I said, everything is more or less the same. I've just laid it out slightly different, and obviously the main pages are different. So we have that. That's the tag for that one. Got another one of these trifolds and some ephemera. Checking the time. Another triple envelope with all the pockets and ephemera in the back. Another pocket, another one of these flip downs, some ephemera. Lots of journaling room. Another one of these flip up, flip downs with the pocket, with the little book. And then in the back we just have that ephemera and that tag. Another double pocket, that's a fold out. And library card and some ephemera. Another one of these birdie things that opens out. Another book here and journaling card in the back. So that is that one. And like that's the green on the back. There's two green, two blue covers. And then there's this one again, different image on the front. Triple envelope with all the pockets. Some very lovely pages in this. Some more tags and ephemera. That opens up. Another flip up, flip down pocket there with a little booklet. Tag and ephemera. Some more folded up papers. Double pockets. Ephemera and a library card. And again another one of these. Each one of these are all different in the books or in the journals. Another one of these in the double pocket, and that is them. So yeah, that was good, 12 minutes. So like I said, all four of these will be listed in my shop, and then there is this still listed in my shop, so Traveller's Notebook. You will find that on, like I said, on my shop, and there's a video to that on the link. I will put all the links below. I will the playlist and everything's below. Artie Mace is below. Climmies below. Everybody's below. Everybody's below. I'm trying to remember everybody and start adding everything below, because it just saves time when people ask and I have to go hunting and send links. So it should all be down below, and if I forgot anything, then I do apologise. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.